Okay, so the idea is to try to understand what is called Beladys anomaly for first in, first out page replacement method. I mean, just in first in, first out method, usually it happens. Usually with the other methods, it doesn't happen. But the idea is a very interesting one. If we take pages where we save our short-term memory and increase it from the first one is 3 frames, namely 3 lines, namely I can save 3 things in it, 3 addresses in memory, and increase this one to 4 frames, namely 4 lines, namely 4 addresses that I can save in a quick memory. The very interesting result that we sometimes get, and I precisely say sometimes because even in FIFO, it sometimes doesn't happen when we increase the frame number. But sometimes, and this is the anomaly, the Beladys anomaly, that we get more faults with the increased number of frames, with the increased number of frames in this page, in the page with the increased number of frames. Now let's see how it happens. So here we have the page with 3 frames, and here we have the page with 4 frames. We have those addresses. We just numbered them in order to be very clear, and we'll see how many faults we'll get on each one of them. So we start. Of course, this one has 3, this one has 4. As this is empty, there is no hit, no one is not in the memory, so we input it into the uh, fast memory, into the page, and it's a fault. So fault is 1 in both. We continue. The next step, we insert 2. 2 again is not in both of them, so it's again a fault. We are going to insert 3. Again, we will get a fault, and then 4, we will get a fault. Now, the logic idea, or maybe what we may think, is that with more frames, we will have more things in memory. So we'll get more hits. I mean, where we get to now 1, there will be hit here because 1 is already here. Of course, 1 is not here. So you can see that what we anticipated, that in the smaller one, there may be more faults because there is less space to occupy more data. So it's more obvious that more faults will happen here. And this is the anomaly, that more faults will happen here. And let's see it happens. So the next step, of course, there is faults right over here because 1 just finished because 4 needed to get inside, and based on the first in, first out, we need to replace one of them. As 1 was the first to insert, it will be the first to be out. So we got it out and insert 4 instead. Now 1 is a fault because 1 is not in the memory anymore, and we replace it with 2. Here 1 is a hit because it's still in the memory. We didn't replace anything in the 4 frames. So here we have more faults in the 3 frames than in the 4. Let's continue. Again, the next one is 2. Here again a fault because this was wiped out. Here we get a hit. Again, more faults in the 3 frames, what we may anticipate. We continue. Now we'll get a 5. 5 will get a fault in both of them because it's not in the memory. So here we replace 4, and here we replace 1. The next one will be 1. Now look at that. 1 is hit in here, but 1 just got out. So it's a fault right over here. That's happened because we just outsourced or got out of 1 because it was here. But 1 from here was just over here. So 1 here is much, much older than the 1 over here. This is why the 5 here took out 4, and the 5 here took out 1. So here we got a fault here, but for this one, we didn't get a fault. We didn't get a fault. We continue. The next one is 2. Now 2 is not a fault right over here, but 2 it does because this one took out 2. So we get again fault right over here, but no fault right over here. Again, fault right over here, but no fault right over here. That's interesting. We get more faults here, maybe. So the next one will be 3. Now, 3 is, of course, fault right over here, and 3 is fault just got out here. So both of them will be fault. So we continue. The next one will be 4. 4 is fault over here, and 4 is just we got out, so it will be again fault. So again, we get a fault in both of them. The next one is 5. Now, 5 just got out right over here, so again it will be fault. 5 is not out here. We took out 3 instead of 1. We took a 4 instead of 2, but 5 is still inside. So it won't be fault here. But here we just got 5 out. So it will be fault here. So we get 10 faults here and 9 faults here. Let's see it happens. So we get fault here and not fault here. So here we are finished, and we got 9 faults in the 3 frames page and 10 faults in the 4 frame page. So you saw that not all the way we got more faults here than here, but at some point we organize it that way, but we just want to show that it may happen, it may not happen, but it may happen. You saw that as along the way, sometimes there were more faults here, but we organize it that way that more faults will happen in the bigger page, and it's very unique for FIFO. It's called, again, the Beladys anomaly, and this is what we wanted to show. A page with more frame may or may not have more faults than a page with less frame when using the first in first out algorithm, not other algorithm, usually not the other ones, for page replacements, even though more frames were in the second, there were more faults. So let's see it last time. Just playing it out, you will see how it goes. You will see the faults, you will see the hits, and you will see how many faults and hits in each one of them. And again, the result is just the result. And this is Beladys anomaly, FIFO page replacement. Thank you very much. And that's it. If there are any mistakes or corrections, please tell me. And that's it for now on Beladys anomaly.